Okay, so yesterday we have installed this Nagios, right? So if I go to this, so we were having this folder structure, right? Now if I go to my service, that was Nagios. Okay, so this was our service which was up and running, and we have seen that how to how this configuration for the services or for host is there, right? We have seen that if we uncomment the Windows configuration file, it shows the Windows related services as well, right? So you can see it is, so far I have not configured any Windows server. Now I want that a particular host machine or a client machine which I need to monitor. So for that, what I need to do, if it is a Windows server, you need to install NS client, and if it is a Linux box or Unix box, you need to use the NRP. Okay. So let us see how to install NRP. Install NRPE. It could be any system. It could be CentOS or Red Hat. So you need to install the same. So to install NRP on this Ubuntu, so we have to go to that first system where we need to install. So say an example, I will take this one, which is running. So if I say Ubuntu, okay, so what we need to do, we need to get this install Nagios NRP server. Okay, so it is installed. After that, you need to configure it. So to configure it, there will be a special file get created, nrp.configuration file. So we say this file, and here there is a option called servers. Okay, so this, and you need to change the IP address with the your Nagios server IP address, which is nothing but this IP address. Okay, so this IP address, just save it. Yeah, yeah. Private also you can use. There should be a communication. So now, what I will do now next, this is done. Now I will go to my master machine. So now NRP client is basically kind of a client only, which is communicating with the server. So I have changed into the configuration file. Now, what I'm doing here, I need to go to my master machine, and in the master machine, I will go to the Nagios dot. So we'll go to the Nagios dot CFG file. Before going to that, we will go to the objects folder first. And I will go to localhost.cfg file. And I will copy some of the stuff. So I will copy this. Okay, and I will copy one service as well. It is not allowing me. So what I will do, I will copy this. It is not going down. Yeah, cat we can do, but okay, anyhow, copy this and I will create one more file, host1.cfg. And here I will copy this. I will remove unnecessary information. So this is communicated like this. So here, my host name, I will say slave machine, which I want to monitor. Slave one, I give the alias name NRPE Nagios and the IP address of my slave machine. No, no, you give any name. You can give any name. Here, this is my client machine. Okay, and This is okay if you want to keep, it is fine. If you don't want to keep, it is. So I will copy a service as well.
The host file should exist inside the object.
Right. I will paste this. Now here, instead of localhost, it will be the host name is slave1. Okay, I will save it. Huh? Where? Okay. Now I will go back to my VI. Now here I need to add the CFG file. So I will say same as it is. host1.cfg. Okay, so I'm now monitoring my host1, which configurations I had given. We make this comment as of now. Now I need to restart the service. Systemctl restart and Nagios. So if I go back and if I refresh this, so services, this is my slave1, ping1 services only we are monitoring at this moment. Got it? Same steps you need to follow if it is a Windows client. There you need to install NS client on Windows machine. Got it? And if you want to define your own command, you can go to the CD objects. And here you can define, if you want to define your own command, if you know the syntax, just say copy, paste, or create a new file and add it over there into the nagios.cfg file. Okay, so here you paste it. So command, you can say my command, whatever the command you want to run. Okay, and ping1, I want to use this command, give that command over there. Understood? Any doubt, any question? Right? So this way we are basically monitoring our Nagios. So that's it for the Nagios. Now in the GUI. Okay, GUI you're saying. Yeah.
When you go to the when you click it, for example, only one service you can.
Okay.
So you can resist to set the outing, you can see the icon for the schedule outing for this service.
Yeah.
So even this one the major advantages, like even you can set a reminder.
So it will not.
Yeah, remaining monitoring tools, you can set a outage for both servers. This one, whatever the site, you can set a outage for particular service.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This is downtime, so no alerts, nothing for this.
Yeah. Looks good with the screen, and then
Critical.
One more fluctuate would cause
There is critical, pending, okay status, fluctuated.
Fluctuate is the word. For example, thing up down it will go. It won't
Okay.
be up. It will be up for a minute. Then immediately it will go down. So
Okay.
that will be in the order. It will show
Okay.
actually.
Okay. 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 So now next you want to do the Jenkins, right? Okay. So let us first talk about, so far whatever we have studied, that is basically mm, okay. This Thursday it may be holiday. So what we can do? You want to connect online or?
Actually, those days we have some festivals. We can come back because that's the reason.
You are going to native on
He is
15th?
not going actually.
Okay. Here? So I will check whether, I will check whether the center is opened or not. If it is not opened, then we will connect online. Okay. So what is Jenkins first of all? Jenkins is basically this is a CI/CD pipeline. New recording. Okay. So G, you need to reconnect. I need to restart this this meeting because we are starting a new session for the Jenkins.